Musicians of metal were back once again at Jeffrey's Pub this Sunday. The vibe was wild and crazy with passion for heavy metal music. Check out these sounds. Chennai's rock scene is growing, and how? To revive the metalhead spirit with its 4th edition of Unseen Underground Pub Fest.
This is not only important for Chennai, this is an inspiration for all the upcoming bands from our country, and I believe there are many bands who are better than even European bands, and I believe in this. That's why I started Unseen Underground with my friend Vijay, and this is the 4th time we are doing it. Last time was Opeth Tribute, so it was pretty good, and we have been able to find out a lot of talented bands from Chennai, Bangalore and Bombay and Delhi, stuff like that. And there are many bands who actually love to play in our shows, and because of sponsors and stuff like that, we are not able to do a lot of shows. But still it's going good, and I believe it will be a big one very soon in India.
Blood and Iron, one of India's best power metal bands, played songs from their new album Dynamite World. Some of the other metalheads who played were Armor of God, Cryptid and Escher's Knot, drawing in a lot of headbangers in Chennai.
We're Blood and Iron, Chennai. It's Ashish Shetty on lead guitars, Manu Krishnan on drums, Arun Daniel on bass, Vivin Kurvila on keyboards. Our 5th member is Vikram Bains, and he's also on lead guitars, and I'm Mark Thomas on vocals.
Yeah, we started as a 4-piece thrash metal band with me on drums, him on vocals and bass, him on guitars, and someone KJ on guitars. He's not here right now, he's just gone home. And we recently got Shiva into the band because he's a brilliant vocalist, and he brings a lot of elements of death metal into our band. And since we evolved from thrash metal to progressive death,
The music was created using some of the best of HMI guitars.
It's very interesting to know that the upcoming bands doing a show here, and we have a kind of bands that were not recognized and unseen. So it's good to know that people coming here and listen to bands like these bands, and people know that this kind of music also exists in this world.
The energy at Jeffrey's was electric, and rockers in the city had a blast. It was rock on all the way for the musicians and their fans. A lot of rock action in the city. Come back to catch some more music on Shift Focus.